What's going on, y'all? Shagasi Paris. Today I'm in here showing you how I customize this Letterman jacket that I picked up from Heat Transfer Warehouse using Heat Transfer Warehouse's Walakut Express 5-second press. Man, it presses in 5 seconds at 250 degrees. You can't beat that. If y'all interested in anything in the jacket, the vinyl, any of the other products that Heat Transfer Warehouse offers, there's a link in the description, affiliate link. Man, y'all hit that link. Won't cost you a dime, but it'll help the channel. Man, shout out Squad, your dig lifestyle, J Style from All Things Style, my guy Mike Tees. Man, Mike Tees, congratulations. He just hit that 1,000 subscriber. Shout out my guy Mike Tees. Appreciate y'all for rocking with us. Come join us on Facebook in the Squad. There's a link in the description to join the group. Seek Paris 12 Gone Apparel. Man,
12 Gone Apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.
Alright, so here we are at the heat press. I'm pressing the left chest. It's the new logo, 12 Gone Apparel. The 2021 logo, man. We just trying to switch it up. Get a new look, you know what I mean? It's that Walakut Express white 5-second press. It only heats at 250 degrees. 250 degrees for 5 seconds and you done. It's a cold or warm peel, so I'm just cooling it down before I peel it back right here. This is probably the longest process, is cooling it down, you know what I mean? It's a really soft vinyl. Weeds really easy. I didn't record the weeding in this video, but I got another video coming on this Walakut that I'm gonna show y'all the weeding, and it weeds nice, man. I cut it in my silhouette. Cut it in silhouette at pressure 10, speed 7. But I use the car stock setting, and then I've just learned how to adjust everything from there. And then so I'm over here on the table putting this back on because it's just easier for me to do it that way. I don't know if I've ever mentioned in the videos, man, I got bad eyesight, so I just need to be out in the open. It just makes it a little easier for me. And I'll just place it right here, take it to the heat press, because under there it's pretty dark. It's not a lot of room. And then I don't really like shining the light because of the video, for the video purpose, you know what I mean? So to blind out what I'm doing. So now we over here. Again, 250 Walakut Express, 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 seconds. Oh yeah, and this Letterman jacket has a detachable hood. Got like 3 buttons on here that hold it on, so you can have it on or you can't. It's nice and thick, quilted on the inside. I was really happy with my purchase on this. Got it at Heat Transfer Warehouse, man. There's a link in the description. Hit that link, help out the channel. It's affiliate link, man. It ain't gonna cost you a dime just to help it out, you know what I mean? So Heat Transfer Warehouse gonna take care of that on the other end of it. It ain't gonna change your prices or nothing, but it still helps out the channel. We need a new camera this year, 2021. We need a nice camera to record these videos with. I'm using a lot of pressure. Typically you don't need it, like firm pressure, but it's a habit for me to press that way. And this is mine, so the little box I'm not too concerned about because this is my personal. I was about to peel it right there. I forgot, wasn't even thinking about to peel it off and mess off the church's money. But we do that cool down. I'm just using a 100% cotton cloth I had. Actually, I had bought it to do with the dye press spray. So we're gonna peel it. Simple. It's the new logo, man. I designed myself. I was happy with it. I paid for a few logos. Missed a little piece of plastic right here, ripped on me, but the vinyl is so soft to the touch. Alright, so I'm pre-pressing to put this sleeve on. So I got the XII with a 2-headed arrow, which is just a picture representation of 12 gone. You will be seeing this in the future. I didn't add the apparel to this. I just used the 12 gone as the picture representative. But y'all gonna be seeing this from 2021 on out. It's a new logo. Really happy how it turned out. Man, I gotta get my pressure right for the sleeve. That sleeve kind of thick there. I ain't gonna worry about it. I'm gonna hit it one more time just to be safe, just in case. Another 5 seconds. Loosen it a little bit, or tighten it a little bit. Another 5 seconds. Get my rag, cool that down. Yeah, that was a little overkill. But like I say, it probably take, for the time it take for the vinyl to press, it probably take longer for it to cool down. That 5 seconds is quick. Alright, so there you go, the XII with the double-headed arrow.
Dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.
There you go. A little wrinkle, but it's mine, so I ain't really tripping off that. If it was for a customer, I'd have fixed it. Man, Seek Paris, 12 Gone Apparel. Man, y'all come join the squad on Facebook. Links in the description. Seek Paris, 12 Gone Apparel, I'm gone.
12 Gone Apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.